Alright you guys, so I just kind of wanted to give myself a little bit of a quick definition on why I did this whole video. So recently I had actually purchased the new DJI Osmo S3 gimbal. So basically just a new thing I can put my phone in, shoot, do whatever I want to. I still have a ton of footage up on my GoPro that I do need to still export, but I just kind of wanted to try and use DJI's new mobile app that they have and see what kind of a video that I can actually make just straight out of the box with the app that DJI does give you. You can really do a lot, but me as a beginner into making anything cinematic, this is by no means cinematic, it's just me playing around trying to make something cool for you guys to go check out. But other than that, just let me know what you guys think of it, and let's go ahead and jump on into it. What is going on, you guys? We are currently heading up to Sedona for the day. Me and my stepdad, Chris. And we are right now on I-17, heading up towards Black Canyon City, going to Sedona. Check it out. We just went ahead and made it up Sunset Point, coming up through Prescott Valley right now. We are going to take the 89A road up to Jerome, through Sedona, and then up to Flag, and then make it happen. Stick with us. Alright y'all, so we just went ahead and turned on to the 89A road, and right now we are about to head up into the hills and get some really cool video. There it is, the start. Alright, so right now we pulled off just kind of this cool little turn off spot, and I don't really know if you can actually see this, but right behind me we actually got these sweet little hills that you can actually just stop, pull right off the side of the road. Sick. Alright, so we are in Jerome right now, and actually we are currently standing in front of the old jailhouse. Oh, it's a Bartlett Hotel. Take that back. It is a hotel. I'll show you guys right now. So it's actually the Bartlett Hotel. I'll let you guys read that for a second. But this is an old hotel in Jerome, Arizona. Sick. Really cool scenery. That's a cool walk down here now. Alright, so we just passed through Jerome. We are now heading into Cottonwood. And after Cottonwood, it's going to be Sedona. So stay tuned. Hope you're having fun. And love life. Alright, so just made it through Cottonwood. I already went through Jerome. And now we are about to start coming into Sedona, which is going to be sweet. Flip this thing around and check it out. So you can actually see out there in the distance, it is going to be the start of the Red Rocks of Sedona. Alright y'all, so we are currently running into Sedona right now, and I gotta say, these rocks and everything around us is some beautiful scenery. It's pretty sick, not gonna lie. So we just went and stopped, got Chipotle for lunch. It was pretty good. Me and Chris got it. So, hell yeah. And then right now we are right in front of the Pink Jeep Tours. Getting ready to head up to Slide Rock. What, my phone?
Just that, it's like, this we just said,
I know, right?
it's like, give me a steer, give me a route. It's like, give me more email. Just like that.
God damn, it's so smooth. It's so freaking smooth. This is ridiculous. I am cheating. Alright. We are gonna... Alright, so we went ahead and we pulled off the side of the road in this little place. I don't even know where we're at. In Sedona. But I have got to say, look at this. Are you kidding me? So nice. No, I did not.
All these trees look the same.
I'll do like a panel.
Didn't get one of the legs.
Alright, so we just went ahead and stopped through Sedona and went ahead and drove past Slide Rock, all that good stuff, and we are now making our way into Flagstaff. So, hope you guys are liking the journey so far. Alright, so we just got gas and we are now back on I-17 heading back home. That's pretty much the 89A road. I'll get some more simple shots going back down I-17, but thanks for tagging along. Alright, so we're coming through Camp Verde right now, getting ready to climb the hill, and this is the hill that somehow everyone hates because you never seem to want to make it up and your car just sounds like it's pissed off at you the whole time. So just check this thing out. Might throw it into a quick time lapse. Alright, and on a side note, if you guys are ever on I-17 going up to Flagstaff or coming down to Phoenix, you have to stop in Black Canyon City called Rock Springs Cafe, and it is right here. Gotta come and get a piece, some of their pie. Very bueno, very, very good.